Namaste. Our next presentation is a Sankirtanam, Sriman Narayana. It's a timeless masterpiece composed by the saint Tallapakka Annamacharya in praise of Lord Venkateshwara. In this performance, the dancers portray the Lord as the ultimate refuge, seeking shelter at his sacred feet. Through graceful expressions, the Lord is shown as the beloved of Goddess Lakshmi, with eyes as gentle as lotus petals. He is the supreme deity from whose navel Lord Brahma emerges. This piece illustrates that for sages and common devotees alike, the Lord of Tirumala is the greatest treasure. It serves as a reminder that within every heart resides the grace of Sriman Narayana. Please enjoy this divine journey by Anjali, Kaveri, Revati, Shreya, and myself, Tejalakshmi. Dance composition by our teacher, Srimati Ambali Krishnan, presenting Sankirtanam, Sriman Narayana in Raga Bauli, Tala Adi.
Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sripadame Sharanam 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 Sriman Narayana Kamala Sati Mukha Kamala Kamala Hita Kamala Priya Kamalekshana Kamala Sati Mukha Kamala Kamala Hita Kamala Priya Kamalekshana Kamala Sati Mukha Kamala Kamala Hita Kamala Priya Kamalekshana Kamala Selekita Kamala Sharanam Kamalasanakhita Garuda Gamana Shri Kamalanabha Pada Kamala Sharanam Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana श्रीपादमे शरणं श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायणने श्रीपादमे शरणं श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्परा परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्परा परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्परा परमात्मा परमाणुरूपा परमात्मा परमाणुरूप देवा परमात्मा परमाणु रूप तिरुवगडगिरि देवा शरणो परमात्मा परमाणु रूप तिरुवगडगिरि देवा शरणो श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायणने श्रीपादमे शरण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायणने श्रीपादमे शरणं श्रीमन्नारायण